red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets, and first we draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for God. Kids now H. The alphabets of H and use blue color. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. Kids now O. The alphabets of O and use yellow color. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. Kids now V. The alphabets of V and use black color. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for telephone. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets, numbers, and 2D shapes. And first they draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. Kids now draw B. The alphabets of B and use blue color. This is B. B for ball. Kids now draw C. The alphabets of C and use yellow color. This is C. C for car. Kids now draw D. The alphabets of D and use green color. Green color. This is D. D for dog. Kids now draw E. The alphabets of E and use black color. This is E. E for elephant. Kids now draw numbers and first we draw 1 and use red color. This is 1. O and E1. This is two. T W or two. This is three. T H R W three. This is four. F O U R four. This is five. F I V E five. Kids neither shapes. And first you draw square. The shape of square. This is square and use blue color. It's neither circle. The shape of circle and use yellow color. This is circle. It's neither triangle. The shape of triangle and use green color. Green color. This is triangle. It's neither heart. The shape of heart and use black color. This is heart. Kids love to draw Easter. The shape of Easter and use white color. This is Easter. The shape of Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.